Hello, my name is Vermont, and I'm going to demonstrate how to destroy and restore a database on render, hosted on render. So, pretty much we have a database here that is hosted on render, and what we are going to do is just go all the way down and delete this database. This database is the one we are using here to connect, and we have our information there. So basically, this is the structure of the database, and this is information we have in the database. Now we are going to go and disconnect from the database here, and then here we are going to go and delete. And with that done, we are going to be able to create a new one. So there is no connection again here. So let's just create a new one here, Postgres, and give it a name. And we can provide a name for the database and a name for the user. And then we are going to change to free tier here, and pretty much that's it what we need to do. Then while this is getting connected, we can start doing our new connection or restoring our connection. Here we should come here to the properties. Then we need to change this database name here. That is going to be the new one. We also need to change the password. The username is okay. Parameters are correct. And then what we need to do here is just wait until this finish. I'm gonna pause this video so we can wait for the database to get ready. Okay, it is ready. So let's just continue, and what we are going to need is just this external URL database. We are going to copy that one, and we need to just extract some information from that. I'm going to do offline because this is having my sensitive information, so you are not going to be able to see that one. So I'm going to replace this string here, and that's pretty much what we needed to do here. So I'm going to save, and when I try to reconnect to this database here, it's going to ask me for my password, and this password is going to be this password here. So let's just copy and provide it, say password, and okay. And that's pretty much going to restore my database. Then what we need to do here is just come here, and I'm gonna show you guys. This is an empty database now, and there is nothing in there. So let's go and copy our database here, and what we need to do is just come here and paste and run this script. This script is run successfully. Then that is going to allow us to, let's just refresh database, and they're going to show us the structure that previously we had in the database there. And also let's try to recover the there you go. So there is the structure with the connections and everything, relationships and everything. So this is the way you can restore your database. Well, thank you for your time and see you next time.